Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to get verified on Facebook. So let's get started. At first let's get into Facebook app. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and click on the settings icon. Now in the search icon, now search for verify. Here at first we can see Meta Verify. Simply tap on this. Here we can see this next option. Here we can see build trust with Meta Verify. So let's click on next. Now choose the profile you want to get verified. Now here we need to pay $7.99 per month. So now click on pay to get benefit. Now click on add credit or debit card. Now enter your card number to make the payment and complete all the steps given. Our account will be verified. So this is all we can do to get our Facebook verified. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.